Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are discussing hair masks that promise to repair damage in just one use. And by 2026, the technology is truly revolutionary. Our hair endures significant stress from heat styling, coloring, bleaching, and environmental factors. When hair is damaged, regular conditioners are often insufficient. Damaged hair has tiny holes, making moisture retention difficult. Hair masks provide targeted treatments to rebuild broken bonds. What makes a hair mask effective in repairing damage in one use? It is all about cutting-edge ingredients and advanced technologies. Let us break down key players to look for. First is bond-building technology. These masks reconnect broken keratin chains within the hair shaft, literally mending tiny fractures. Peptides, small amino acid chains, are increasingly popular, repairing and strengthening hair. Improving density and resilience. Argan oil remains a powerhouse for repairing damage, enhancing hair health, promoting strength, restoring split ends, and reducing frizz. Rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins, argan oil increases hair's elasticity, shine, and manageability. Plant butters and vegan proteins are rising, targeting and repairing broken bonds gently yet effectively. For comprehensive care, look for hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Hyaluronic acid deeply moisturizes, while ceramides reinforce the hair's protective barrier, tackling structural breakage and dryness. Plant-powered ingredients like rosehip oil, algae extract, and B vitamins strengthen the hair cuticle. Rosemary oil reduces damage and breakage, making hair stronger. It also possesses anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties, reducing scalp redness, irritation, and combating dandruff for overall scalp health. For fine hair, ingredients like hydrolyzed silk, protein and panthenol strengthen without weighing it down. For severe damage, advanced masks incorporate cysteine peptides and citric acid, cross-linkers to refuse broken sulfur bonds. Now, let us cover some top hair masks making waves in 2026 for one-use repair. The K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask is a standout. This leave-in treatment works in just 4 minutes, using a bioactive peptide to reconnect broken keratin chains. Stylists recommend it for repairing the hair's core structure from the inside out. The Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask is ideal for color-treated or bleached hair. Using bond-building technology with hyaluronic acid and ceramides to target breakage and dryness. For clean beauty, the Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair Deep Conditioning Mask is free from sulfates, silicones, and parabens, using rosehip oil, algae extract, and B vitamins to balance protein and moisture. For over-processed hair, the Amica The Cure Intense Bond Repair Mask is formulated with plant butters, mango and shea and vegan proteins to restore elasticity and smooth the cuticle. The Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Mask offers tropical luxury and deep conditioning. If you have medium to thick, dry hair, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask, infused with argan oil, deeply moisturizes and improves elasticity, shine, and manageability. For an accessible option, the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-Minute Hair Mask is a drugstore gem with 98% naturally derived ingredients, suitable for color-treated and chemically damaged hair. The Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask provides a salon-like treatment, revitalizing thin and brittle hair. For severely dry, bleached hair, the OGX Extra Strength Hydrate Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Hair Mask saturates hair with argan oil for intense hydration and detangling. The Nono Repair Hair Mask for damaged hair features tomato extract and vitamin C to moisturize and smooth frizz. The NAC-K Revive Peptide Leave-In Power Mask is a no-rinse wonder, promising up to 97% repair in 2 minutes. With peptides, hydrolyzed vegetable proteins, and amino acids. For thick, coily, or curly hair, the Ouidad Moisture Lock Ultra Nourishing Intense Hydrating Mask provides deep hydration. The Lucetta Manuka Honey Hair Oil is a lightweight formula that doubles as a soothing scalp serum, reducing dryness. The Roz Foundation Mask offers deep hydration, ideal after hair coloring. When choosing a mask, consider your hair type. For fine hair, opt for lightweight formulas that won't weigh it down. Such as lightweight fortifying treatment for fine hair, YE fine to medium hair treatment. Mask, or Amica Sol Food Nourishing Mask. For curly hair, moisture is key. The Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil. Intensive Hydration Hair Mask and Davines Love Curl Hair Mask are excellent. For oily hair, masks with egg and lemon can balance oil. To use a hair mask effectively, apply to damp hair after shampooing. Leave on for the recommended time 3 to 20 minutes, or overnight for some. Rinse thoroughly. Note that some masks, like K18, are leave-in. To maximize results, consider a pre-shampoo treatment. Use a hair towel to absorb excess water before applying. And always consider your hair's porosity, density, and texture. DIY options include an olive oil mask for dry hair, an egg white and lemon mask for oily hair, a cinnamon mask for hair growth, and a yogurt mask for frizzy hair. The future of hair repair is exciting, with AI personalized formulations and microbiome-targeted actives on the horizon. Investing in a quality hair mask is an investment in your hair's health and beauty. Choose wisely.